Hey everybody! In a previous video, we created the vendor groups. This was the first step to set different data level permissions for a user's job role. This way, you can give access to only the areas of QuickBooks a user needs to do their job. For example, we have been working with setting up our accounts payable user who has access to work with active vendors located in California only. Before you get started, make sure you log in as the QuickBooks admin and you've created your vendor groups. If we're all set there, let's go to the company menu, then users, then select Setup Users and Roles. Choose the Role List tab, and then you can select either New, Edit, or Duplicate an existing role. We are going to create a new role for Accounts Payable. I'm going to name the role Accounts Payable California. Go to Areas and Activities, then Centers, and select Vendor Center. Select Custom, then select Define. A dialog box will appear. Here we will select the vendor groups to get permission at a group level. You can create a new vendor group if needed by clicking on Create Vendor Group. Select to view, modify, delete, print, and view balance access levels based on your requirements. Since we are setting this role for our California rep, we will choose to view, modify, delete, print, and view balance levels for California Payables Group. Checkmark the box here if you want to allow the role to create a new vendor. Keep in mind, creating a new record permission will be global for the role created. Select OK to save the role. Watch our next video on how to assign a restricted role to a user in QuickBooks Enterprise. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. I'm sure you don't want to miss another training video. All joking aside, thank you for watching my video.